Welcome to Meetings. English Basic to Advanced. I am very busy. I am swamped. I am very tired. I am exhausted. I am very happy. I am thrilled. I am scared. I am terrified. I am sad. I am heartbroken. I am confused. I am baffled. I don't like it. I am not fond of it. It's very simple. It's straightforward. It's very clear. It's crystal clear. I am sure. I am absolutely certain. I am feeling lazy. I am feeling sluggish. I need help. I need assistance. It's not possible. It's out of the question. I am surprised. I am astonished. You are right. You are spot on. I forgot. It slipped my mind. Let's meet. Let's catch up. Keep trying. Keep at it. It's my mistake. It's my fault. Thanks for watching.